Bueno, yo voy a preparar aquí mi vídeo para los de Science que... ¿Y este tío? ¿Y este qué pasa? Que los de segundo de la ESO todavía no me han dejado a clase desde el 15 de septiembre, ¿no? Nada, hijo mío, pues ahora me toca a mí. Venga, adiós. Ay, whatever. Okay, sorry about that. Today we are going to learn about levers, how a lever works, the different parts of a lever, and different classes of lever. A lever is a simple machine that is used for lifting objects and is made of a reed bar, a fulcrum, punto de apoyo, a pivote, and of course a load, una carga, and an effort, un esfuerzo, la fuerza que tenemos que hacer para mover esa carga. And depending where the load, the fulcrum, and the effort are, there are three classes of lever that we are going to learn them before. Okay, first of all, this is a class 1 lever, reed bar, and the fulcrum is between the load and the effort. And for example, to measure the effort, we are going to use water, and we are going to check the amount of water that we need to move this load. Okay? Perfect. Okay? So this, you can see here, is the amount of water that I need to move this load. However, if I move the fulcrum, maybe I have a different result. So let's check it. Now the fulcrum is more or less in the middle of the reed bar, so I'm going to move this here, and remember this of water Now let's check if you realize the difference between the last experiment and this one is just a few millimeters. See, let's see how much water we need to move this load. Ta-da! So now look at the difference, how much water I needed to move this stone when I moved the fulcrum along the reed bar, and the last one here. Okay. Now you can see the difference, the effort that I needed to move the load. Now it was much bigger because the fulcrum was closer to the effort. Como el punto de apoyo ahora está más cerca del esfuerzo que de la carga, la cantidad de fuerza que he necesitado hacer para moverlo ha sido mucho mayor. Okay? So this is a class 1 lever, and the effort that you need to move a load depends on where the fulcrum is along the reed bar. Okay, and now I told you this is a class 1 lever. Okay, you know, and using this, it's just a magnet and, you know, a pen. I'm going to stick this here. So now the fulcrum, el pivote, el punto de apoyo, now is in this here, okay? And this is a class 2 lever. That's the fulcrum, that's the load, and the effort is here in my hand, 2 or. So this is a class 2 lever, and the class 3 lever, the load is in one of the ends of the rigid bar, the fulcrum is on the other end of the rigid bar, and the effort is between the load and the fulcrum, and this is a class 3 lever. So class 2 lever, fulcrum, load, effort, class 3 lever, fulcrum, effort, and load. And the last thing before leaving, sometimes ¿a que no bajan, Este que todavía está esperando. Vale. Anyway, for example, I'm cooking a cell. This is a plant cell. Eso es una célula de una planta. Of course it isn't, but it's a model, and a beautiful one actually. And I'm cooking in a pan, and I'm using this. And this spatula is a machine. It's a simple machine, and actually here I can use 2 different machines. If I put it like this, my spatula is like a wedge. Yeah, like this is a wedge, and I can put the wedge just beneath a heavy object. And now that I'm moving the spatula up, I'm moving the cell. So this is the load, the fulcrum is there, and this is my effort. So now wedge, 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 and now it's a class 2 lever. Está bien, me gusta cómo han hecho esta célula. Okay, we'll learn about these cells in the last unit of the year, plants, but the idea is this is a machine. Okay, thank you very much for your time.